The biggest myth of dental implants will be teeth in a day. That you can solve my problems that taken so long to get back in my mouth in one day. Implants are a great tool, but they're not magical. They don't happen immediately. And some people can't have implants if you don't have bone or if you're not healthy enough. Another myth would be that are they very, very painful? No, in dental implants, they're not really painful. Bone doesn't hurt that much when you're doing surgery in the bone, and we're gonna treat you with medicines that are gonna keep you very, very comfortable. Another question is easier to get dentures? That's not the answer. If you have the bone, if you are young, you wanna get some dental implants because you're gonna preserve your bone, you're gonna feel more comfortable. If you just go for the dentures, you're gonna lose all that bone. You're not gonna be happy. At the end of the day, you're gonna want implants, and by this time, you probably don't have the bone anymore. And I take him by the hand, step by step, educating him and explaining him everything so he has a great understanding of what he's getting into. They're gonna dedicate a lot of money into this endeavor, and I want them to be educated about it and happy, and I want them to want to do it. I don't want no one to be convinced about it. You have a need, we can help you. Do you want to do it?